And now, direct from the jungles of Brazil, the one and only Aracuan bird. Donald, what did you do? Oh!
What? I'm the best.
So, are you guys awake? Wake up! Wake up!
I think they're not talking. I can't breathe.
What's going on? I'm in the future.
You forgot banana in your mind?
Oh, I still think about banana.
Okay,
Welcome to Mario Future.
go. I mean, okay, and I hope you guys like the board game because most of the people request that they want to do a board game, and that's why we're doing it. One.
I'm in the future, Brian.
We also
in the
have
future.
Mario Party. I mean, you know, most of your fans know that we're just doing like we do whatever films we like. I know most of you say do the walkthrough, but we would love to. But we did that once, like that new Super Mario Bros. U. We were gonna do that. We did that before, but we realized that it takes real long because our advice is not really that easy. So it takes us like 1 hour, and it totally wastes our time. Just to let you know. All right, here he goes. EK, go do it.
Fight, boy.
Scratch the card. Scratch the 100 coins.
Let me choose this one.
Okay. Let's see
If
you
I got it
win.
right, I'll go kick you one.
Oh, you fail. I'm sorry.
Come here. Let me give you a hug.
Hey, no.
No, no, no.
That's the game rules. Just goodbye.
Okay. Kiss my mom.